don't seem too deep. I don't know if it's something to get used to.
Oh, shit.
This is cold as fuck. This is cold. This motherfucker cold as fuck. It don't get too bad once you stay in it though.
Wow.
I gotta get lower and lower. I gotta ease in this motherfucker. Oh shit. My feet good.
Yeah.
It just when it first touches skin.
Yeah.
But it ain't, hey. What a ball,
It's getting, man.
This shit is.
It's getting, man.
Hey, this motherfucker, this shit loud.
Ooh, loud. Really loud. I'm recording, man.
Oh, shit. We just record. Oh, y'all do it. We been cold, boy. We gonna kill you all y'all here. Once you get in, you're gonna be straight. Once you get in, I said, push you about to hit your head on the wall, man. You about to hit your head on the wall. I thought you were going to boot. I got to go with him too. I only had to get that shit before you out there.
You know how to do it, man.
Oh, we in there, man. It's good now. It's just cool. This
Now we're not going to sleep anything. We should go. We should go.
Did the deep part of it? Yeah. That part right there, deep.
No.
It's not what about 4 feet. 4 feet.
Oh my God, man, I'm blind.
What would you do? Hey, man.
It's cool, man.
It's good in the morning.
Yeah, I'm getting out of here, man. I'm out of here, but how you cooking the water? Get out of here, man. I'm out of here, man.
This is right. A little bit
Cold, guys. Too cold, man. Very, very cold, guys. I don't know. It's too cold, man.
These boys out here.
Cold, guys.
These boys out here swimming.
It's cold. You know.
It's cool. It's cool out here, man. It's cool, but I know damn well I ain't finna get in that motherfucker goddamn. I'm freezing goddamn. It's just at night because the air in Africa is blowing through the buildings and coming through the buildings and stuff.
Yeah.
And you can it's like it's a rush, like a fan on in this motherfucker. Really just like a fan on right here. The air just coming through here. You can see the trees and shit moving.
Yeah, guys.
But how y'all doing out there, man? You know what I'm saying? Shoot y'all, can't shoot y'all in a bit. Right here with Hoy and Kituko Etse.
Yeah, we got King the Beauty.
Man, we can go live right here, man. We could have went live right here though.
No, we're going live. We're going live.
Cause we can see good.
No, we're gonna go live inside.
We can see y'all good.
Oh,
y'all cold. That's what it is. Y'all ain't cold. I'm cold as a motherfucker. We can see good right here, man. We can talk.
Cool, man.
I can talk to everybody. We in the beach. I can talk to everybody right here. I got that Wi-Fi. You know that Wi-Fi. It need a star at the end of it.
I told you to put the star at the end of it.
There's an exclamation point and a star.
Exclamation point before the 2000.
And a star.
And a star at the end. And an at in the front.
A D capital A.
Capital A. They should have this one.
I'm finna call my girl. She finna see y'all.
Oh, you live? Are you live right now?
Bonjour, bonjour.
What's that?
Regardez.
Hey.
Mon frère.
One week.
Mon frère.
Ça va?
Man, that's a what's the name right there, man?
What's that?
This is my
We call it
moon lady.
Man, it's gonna be like that's a dragon leg, man.
a dragonfly.
Dragonfly.
You throw them on my shoe.
I think it's dead, man. You should be dead.
Man.
Oh, you can get that? She can get it again. That's not that one, man. Don't that one here? I told you. What's that? Who's that? That's a girl?
Yeah.
She's here. You want to talk about Zion?
The one talking about.
Hey, y'all, I need to jump.
Her connection ain't good. And the
Why she don't call me no about that?
she can't 10 o'clock, man. She late.
Oh, she tried to come, man. That's not that one. That's not that one. I told you that was the reason. That was the main reason we couldn't go live. But it was no.
Try the music.
Tomorrow we're gonna make a video. We can't make a video yet. You know that. Tomorrow we're gonna make a video.
They play that music all. They play that music all day.
They were playing music when we came to Earth.
They would. I didn't hear music there when I first came out. They did.
No, tomorrow, I'm excited.
It feels better up underwater than do outdoors, don't it? Yeah. I know it probably warmer. It probably warmer now. It probably warmer now to y'all up underwater. I'm finna go live on Facebook, man. Fuck that. I'm about to go live on Facebook, man. I'm about to get busy.
That's enough.
I gotta listen to your phone and send me that.
I got 10 minutes. I know it feels better inside than water though.
Who told you that? Who told you that, man?
Like
It's cool,
inside the
man.
morning, inside the morning,
Shit is
probably warmer.
cool. No.
It kind of with the apple on y'all while y'all with
Then we go live inside. When we get in, we go live. You ready for us to go live? They're not done, baby. Straight up, man.
Oh my God. Oh my God. The girl said she's so ashamed. She's different. She said she's so ashamed to be an American. So ashamed to be an American right now. Tell her she's just African. She said, I'll be over there. Yes. She said she's so ashamed to be African. She said, I'll be over there. She's bad. She's bad. That shit too cold. Shit too cold. I'm out. Be y'all. Yeah. Keep telling us in focus, love you, man. That girl don't look like the girl. What she's doing?
Okay, guys, we're just in here with Kitoko X and King Suja. You can see him right behind me. We'll be doing our thing. So sorry that we can see us very well, but I know you guys can really recognize our voice. We're doing our thing. We came out this night to chill out, to have some fun and to chill out, do some stuff thing. But actually tomorrow we're gonna be back tomorrow because tomorrow it's gonna be really good. The light is gonna be good and it's gonna be more clear and more nice. We're just testing the water because we just moved in today. We just said let us test the water. So by tomorrow we'll be going live tomorrow during the day and you guys gonna see. Okay, we're sorry about the poor quality of the light and everything, but we're gonna be live tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we're gonna be live during the day. We're gonna show you guys everything you guys gonna see. Okay, so guys, take care. We'll see you guys later. We love you. Bye bye.